Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I have the new release reveal for scrapdivadesigns.com. You guys can use my code Poochie10 to save 10% off your entire purchase. Anything on her site. All these dies will be available December the 5th, okay guys? Not on December the 1st. December the 5th, there is a delay because of the holiday season, okay? So these dies, I noticed that they're two different colors. Some of them are gonna be this really pretty green. It's like a new green color. And it's like a metallic. It's really, really pretty. And then also some of them are pink, okay? So I'll go over the dies. Again, these are gonna be available December the 5th. This is just an unboxing of my package so you guys can see what's coming. And then I will have projects before December the 5th, okay? So throughout now until December the 5th, I will have some projects to share with you all. All right, so we have this die here. This is really cute. I can tell that there's some more dies like set in between here. And this one is called the 3D pie gift box. This is so cute, you guys. You're gonna be able to make a box that's gonna be a pie. So I'm excited about this. I can't wait to show you guys what that looks like once it's put together. We have a poinsettia die, and this is the large poinsettia. We have utensils tab. So it's going to be a bunch of cute little tabs that have all these cute little utensils. And then you guys see the beautiful green dies. Okay, so you're going to be able to tell, guys, what are the how do I want to say, the original scrap. These are the real deal Scrap Diva design dies. Okay guys, don't be buying those knockoffs from different places, okay? Support Scrap Diva Designs. Use my code Poochie10 to save 10% off your purchase, okay? So we have these cute little, we're gonna be able to tell what are the dupes now, you know, from her original design. So make sure you guys support small businesses and grab these dies from scrapdivadesigns.com only, okay? So anyways, we have a spoon, a fork, those like little strainer spoons. I can't think of the terms, guys. Sorry. The spatula, all these cute, and then the little rolling pin, and these are going to be little tabs for you to put onto your projects. They'll probably also be able to clip to your projects as well because of this little slit. So those are going to be really adorable. I'm in love with this set right here. This is the banner set 1, and there are some more things underneath here. I will show these to you guys in later videos. This is just the unboxing. And I love that there's going to be different size banners. I love banner dies, guys. So you'll probably be able to stamp little sentiments here. And then we have the stitching that you can layer on here. So these are going to be really cute with some foam in between. And you're going to have some cute embellishments. You'll be able to like dangle things. It's going to be adorable. I can't wait to play with that one. We have the bag topper number 2 small. Look at how cute, you guys. So cute. Yeah. It's my baby Ava. She's saying yeah. So there's 2 sizes of this one, I believe. This is the small one. And you're going to have all these layering pieces. I love the design of this bowl already. I cannot wait to play with this. I'm probably going to do some jumbo paper clips. I love doing paper clips with those bag toppers sometimes. This is the large Victorian frame. Now, she did have a smaller one. So now this is the large. And it's going to be, there's some dies in between here as well. So I'm excited for that. I probably want to make a shadow box out of this, guys. I'm going to do a shadow box with that. Okay, next we have some pink dies. Look at how pretty. This is the card making and box making easy. So these dies are going to help you to create cards and boxes. So I'll have some tutorials probably on how to use these, you guys. There's a few sizes. Next, we have this one here. This is the Christmas gnome. So you're going to make a little gnome. Look at the cute little stocking. And then look at, there's like a little cross here. So I'm excited for this. Next, we have, this one's going to be a bomb one. Double stitch arch set. And so you're going to be able to do all these different little arches. And it's got the double stitching detail. So many possibilities with these. I love nesting dies, guys. They are essential, okay, to crafting. Next, we have this little sentiment that says enjoy. And it has not only the lettering, but also the, oh my God, I can't think. You know, the back piece, the layering piece. You guys know what I'm talking about. Next, we have this one here. Oh my God, look at the little gingies. So cute. This is Bakery House Gift Box. Okay, so I can't wait to do this one, guys. I always love a good box die. Next, we have this one. This one I'm super excited for. It is a Santa mini album die set. And there's some stitching going on. There's some little holly leaves. Cute little mustache, little button nose. So this is, I'm excited for this as well. Next, we have this one here. Look at how pretty. I'm excited for this. You guys know I love bows. Double snowflake bow sets. So you're going to have 2 different sizes to create double bows. And then you have the back piece that has this beautiful design for the snowflakes. So I'm excited for that one. We have this die set here. It's in the green color, the wine bottle label. And this is cute, guys. You're going to be able to layer these 2, I believe. And you're going to have this really cute, like, type of scalloped edge, fancy scallop edge. And then what does it say? It says, thank you. Thank you. So it's going to be perfect for gift giving. We have some more sentiments. And this is the Christmas words. Now, it feels like there's some more things in here. But from the outside, it says, oh, what fun. Mistletoe kisses. Merry and bright. Ho, ho, ho. And then this one says, Dear Santa. Okay, so I think there's some more, but so far I see 5. Next, we have this one. Oh, I'm so excited about this one, guys. This is the baking tray. Look at how adorable. And there's some little gingies there. This is so cute. I cannot wait to play with this one. And if you grab the Baking Spirits Bright and the little apron one from the November release, this is going to pair beautifully with that, guys. So if you haven't grabbed those dies, grab them. There's a total of 19 dies, I believe, and 1 stamp set. Next, we have this one. This is Baking Mrs. Claus. So you're going to be able to put that tray on her. That'll be really cute together. She's got a cute little apron, a lot of little details. Next, we have this one, gingerbread mug. Erica, I love this color. Guys, this color is bomb. I love these pink dies. This is the gingerbread mug, and I'm thinking it's going to look a little bit similar but different to the snowman one that we had for the November release. All right, now winding down to the end, we have the Gnome Stamp and Die Set. And then this is the die, cute little stitch heart. It says, you gnome, I love you. You're my favorite gnome. Home is where your gnome is. I love you no matter what. You know me so well. Gnome wishes and mistletoe kisses. We have trick or treat, smell my gnome feet. I'm spooky and I gnome it. Will you be my gnome? So this is really cute, guys. And her, if you're new to Scrap Diva Designs or if you've been buying from her, she has new stamp sets. They are photopolymer, and so they're really, really great quality, you guys. Okay, the quality has upgraded for her stamp set, so you have to try her latest stamps. They are bomb. I'm loving them. Okay, now last but definitely not least, we have bag topper number 2. And look at how pretty. So let me grab the other bag topper so you guys can kind of see and reference what the sizes are. I love anything with bows, guys. These are beautiful. I can't wait to play with them. I love to collect bow dies, and you know, like, it doesn't matter what they look like, I have to have them. So this is, it has a cute little stitch edge, and as you can see, it's a really nice size difference. All right. So that's it, guys. This is a new release for Scrap Diva Designs. Again, it's going to be available December the 5th, okay? Make sure you use my code Poochie10 to save 10% off your entire purchase. I will have all the links to each of these on December the 5th, okay? They won't be available now. And if you haven't got some of the November release, you need to snatch it now because, guys, these are all bomb. You're going to see so much inspiration with and ideas with these dies that you're going to want to snatch whatever you didn't get now so that it's not too much when December 5th comes and you want to grab all these bad boys, okay? So that's it for this video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this new release. I'm super excited, and I will be back soon with some sneak peeks and show you guys what a lot of these dies look like put together. All right, I love you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.